Hello and welcome to the Copper Box. It's the London Lions against Leeds Force in the BBL Championship. Two teams desperate for a win for slightly different reasons. Some would have shake, but they still can call that a goaltend. Mikulic for three, big shot if it goes, and it does. The lead down to only 4. Playoffs will be interesting though, because there's going to be some dangerous teams. You look at a team like London as Sullivan knocks down the 3. If they don't make it into the top 4, London, none of the top 4 teams will want to play the Lions home and away.
You look at a team that I think that's also kind of like hot and cold, like London is the Glasgow Rocks, because they could sneak in at a 7 or 8.
Mikulic hits a 3. Leeds can level the match here with just over a minute to play. Anebo inside. Anebo backing down, good head fake, steps underneath, it's blocked by Stibbins. McCann trying to get it free. Atta thought about the 3, drives in, instead goes off the glass, and it's tied with 20 seconds to go, and Vince McCauley says time out please. London will have the ball with 20 seconds to go. Taylor.
He's trying to get the ball to Sullivan.
Sullivan turns, squares up to his man, Zaire Taylor for 3, yes, all string, and London are back in front.
Big possession right here for Leeds.
It is
huge
a massive possession, because it gives them a chance to stretch the lead to 3 with a minute to go. McCann drives in, McCann gets 2. Great play from McCann with a little spin and drive through.
Timeouts.
Well, Vince just called one a minute ago, using his last one. Mikulic through the lead to the finger roll, perfect offense. They ran 19 seconds and they got a finger roll for it. London need a quick score. A 3 would be nice, but they need a quick one, whatever it is. Sullivan along the baseline. It can win, this has to go in. It doesn't go in. Leeds fighting for it, it's back out to Taylor. This has to go in. It does! Zaire Taylor with the 3.
The person most likely to foul is going to be Cook with all the switches they're going to have to make.
Oh, it's deflected. Oh, he's got it. No, Leeds have it. Leeds have it. Oh, and that's the worst case for London, because the ball was deflected and they thought they were coming up with it, and suddenly the ball was free. And it's Mikulic, who just happens to be one of the best free throw shooters on the team. He's not taken many, but he's shooting at 87%. 1 will do. 1 is all he needs. 1 is what he's got. 2 would be really nice now, though. But even a miss, you've got a live ball with 9 seconds to go.
Let's see it for the Lions. Come on now.
You could even commit a foul to stop the 3. I wouldn't do it, but some coaches might. Yeah. He's made them both.
He's got a lovely stroke.
Vince has no timeouts either. They have to get the length of the court. They don't have any time. London are going to lose this here, I think. Taylor to Ikenwin. Ikenwin for 3, doesn't go, and Leeds have grabbed an excellent victory for them. And boy, are they celebrating on the sidelines. They've come from behind. They looked buried early in the 3rd quarter, but they never gave up. They played a tremendous defensive stand on the last play of regulation time, and then in overtime, they took their chances.
Brilliant.